Okay, hi, good evening, and today we are going to talk about packing list. And my name is Kudunson. My number matrix is 08 DPI 20 F1020, and Kailash is my members, and his number matrix is 08 DPI 20 1012. Okay, so Kailash will be talking about the introductions for packing list.
Okay, so firstly, what is packing list? So actually, the packing list is actually a document used in the international trade. Like it provides the exporter, international freight forwarder, and ultimate consumer with information about the shipment. So it also helps, like including how it's packed, the dimensions of the weight of each package, and the marks or and the numbers that are noted on the outside of the boxes. So next is why is the packing list like so important? Well, firstly it provides account of the product that is being shipped. Secondly, it serves as proof of material, and also like to add in more information, like it helps the custom broker when entering the listed goods into your country and import the database. Like it contains like special important information, and also it serves a guide like for the receiver and the buyer, like when counting the product when they receive. So we move on to the next slide, which is how do I make an export packing list. Well, firstly, like when you're creating a packing list, after you have to make sure that a lot of detail. You have to make sure that it's up to the detail as possible about the shipment. All like for example, these are a few important details to include inside the export packing list, which is date, the shipper and the exporter contract information, consent contact information, the origin, the address, the destiny of your address. These two is really important, and also followed by the total number of packages within the shipment, a detailed description of each packet, the volume weight of each packet, the volume weight of the entire shipment, and also last one is the commercial invoice number for the shipment. These all are the very important things if you want to make an export packing list. Okay, so we move on to the next slide.
Okay, so party involved in this package, sorry, for this packing list. So packing list is like just now Kailash has explained the definitions and the introductions for the packing list, and packing list is involved in the parties of the seller only. So the seller will just produce or create this packing list, and the parties related is the exporter, international freight forwarder, ultimate consignee, and just like just how Kailash has said it. And a packing list is created by the seller and sent to where the goods are located in order to have an accurate tally of the sended good. This is to make the accuracies of the transactions between import and export, to make sure that all things or all the goods are sanded and tallied and is packed so that didn't have any issues on it. It's not like didn't have issues means that they reduce the numbers of uh, possibilities of having mistake, and this list is sent along to them with their destinations, which next slide I will talking about the address of the senders and the receivers address, all that. And we can see these examples on this packing list. Kala, next slide. Okay, so we can just see these examples on this packing list, which is we have the company name or company logos, and start with ship from. Actually, these two is combined together, but just make it very clear. I just separate it. So on top of that, there must be a logo and ship from where, the address, the phone number, the fax numbers or emails, and so on. And next will be shipped to the destinations. Is like where this product or where this good should be sent to the place. And next, the packing list will write the date, the sales order, order date, orders email, all that is more likely that the details of these products. And we can see the down part, which is the packing list summaries. So what is the packing list summaries, which is the descriptions of the product, is like product A B C D, all that, and what is the code number from that product, and for the customers, the particular customers, how much quantities that the persons have ordered, and one lot or one unit is how much. Then they just make it the total weight for the transaction. Means that like if you make through airplane or just make through like freight for the shipments, also have to calculate the weight, right, to in order to make it more accuracy. And on the very bottom we'll write the like, if any issues you guys can just call these phone numbers to these companies and they will solve the customer service problem. So I think that's all from us today, and thank you very much.